Need a faster way to compare your original note with AI generated summaries with Android 16 on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? AI results like Summarize and Translate now appear side by side with the original content when you are in landscape mode, so you can review both at once. Here's how to see it in action. First, open Note app. Then open a note that contains some text. Tap the Note Assist icon at the bottom. Then select Summarize. Once done, rotate your phone to landscape view. And you will see that the AI generated summary appear next to the original text, letting you easily compare both. As a note, you can do the same when using Translate or other AI option. It's now easier to review your result without switching screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.